Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete unused WordPress theme and plugin. If you install many theme and plugin in your WordPress website for the testing purpose, it might be security issues because WordPress theme and plugin should be updated always for security purpose. If you install unwanted theme and plugin and not updated, that will be the security problem for your WordPress site. So you have to delete the unused WordPress theme and plugin. Let's learn how you can do this. Log in your WordPress administration page. First we have to delete the unwanted theme. So we have to click on the appearance, then click on the themes. In my WordPress site, I have installed 5 themes, but I have used only for this theme. So I have to delete for other themes. So we have to click on the theme details. Here we have to click on the delete button. Now the selected theme has been deleted. So I have deleted the all unwanted themes. That's it. Now I have only one theme. Now the security is reduced in my WordPress website. So let's learn how we can uninstall the plugin. So we have to go to plugin page. Here we have to click on the installed plugins. In my WordPress site, I have a 2 unwanted plugin. So I have to remove this plugin. So I have to click on the delete. Now the selected plugin has been deleted. So we have to delete this plugin also. Now I have deleted all unused plugins. So in this way, you can delete the unused WordPress theme and plugins in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.